Joe Zikas from YoChicago.com. I'm headed for a tour of 1000 North LaSalle, an apartment high-rise that's on the border of the Old Town, River North, and Gold Coast neighborhoods. 1000 North LaSalle has an on-site parking garage, laundry, press box cleaners, a fitness room, a rooftop sun deck, and a business center. The main draw for many of the residents of this pet-friendly building is a tree-shaded, fenced-in, private dog park. The building has on-site management and friendly door staff. I toured a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with an espresso kitchen and another with an all-white kitchen. The kitchens have good cabinet and counter space, an electric range, a dishwasher, a built-in microwave, and floor-to-ceiling windows. The apartments have spacious living dining areas with a corner bay window. There's a large coat closet and a linen closet as you enter, and a wall-wide closet in the second bedroom. Second bath has a stall shower. The master suite has a bay window, a walk-in closet, and a bath with a tub. I also toured a 1-bedroom with wood-look floors in the living dining area, espresso cabinets in the kitchen, and a nice-sized bedroom with a bay window and a view of the skyline. 1000 North LaSalle doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the newest buildings, but it offers a lot of space for the money and a really convenient location. Wells Street, a block west in Old Town, is one of Chicago's great pedestrian strips. Wells Street has broad sidewalks lined with bars, restaurants, outdoor cafes, boutiques, salons, quirky local shops, and destination entertainment venues. Division Street bars and nightlife, a farmer's market, and the fabulous restaurants that ring the Triangle are a short walk to the east. Just to the south, you'll find the almost endless bars, restaurants, nightlife, and tourist attractions in River North. Public parks, Oak Street Beach, and Lincoln Park are all within a few minutes' walk. There's bus service to the corner, and the CTA Red Line takes you to the Loop, Millennium Park, Chicago's museums, and Wrigley Field. Grocery shopping is nearby at the upscale Plum Market, Jewel Osco, and Treasure Island. Intelligentsia Coffee and several Starbucks are within a block or two.